The difference between successful people and really successful people is that really successful people say no to almost everything. They understand that their time and energy are finite resources. This quote from the Oracle of Omaha himself isn't about being a curmudgeon. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time, emphasizes the importance of saying no to maintain focus on what truly matters. It's about fiercely protecting your time and energy. When you say no to distractions and unnecessary commitments, you create space for what is truly important. It's about choosing where to direct your focus for maximum impact. By being selective with your yeses, you ensure that your efforts are aligned with your highest priorities. We live in a world of endless options. Every day we are bombarded with opportunities, requests, and distractions that vie for our attention. Opportunities, requests, and distractions clamor for our attention. It's easy to get overwhelmed and lose sight of what truly matters. Learning to say no is a superpower. It empowers you to take control of your life and make decisions that are in your best interest. It allows you to say yes to what truly matters. Saying no isn't selfish, it's strategic. By saying no to the less important, you can say yes to the people and activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. It's about aligning your actions with your goals. When you are clear about your priorities, saying no becomes easier because you know what you are working towards. It's about designing a life of intention, not one of reaction. By being deliberate with your choices, you can create a life that is meaningful and fulfilling. So the next time you are faced with a request or an opportunity, remember the power of no. It might just be the key to unlocking your best yes. Most productivity advice focuses on doing more. Work harder, hustle more, squeeze in another task. But what if success isn't about doing more, but about doing less? What if it's about eliminating the unnecessary to make room for the essential? Enter the power of elimination. This approach flips the script. Instead of asking, "What can I add to my plate?" you ask, "What can I remove?" This subtle shift in perspective can lead to profound results. By consciously choosing what not to do, you reclaim your time and mental bandwidth. You create space for deep work, creative thinking, and meaningful relationships. You unlock the power of focus. Steve Jobs was a master of focus. When he returned to Apple in 1997, the company was on the brink of collapse. His solution wasn't to add more products, but to ruthlessly cut back. He slashed the product line from 350 to just 10. This radical act of elimination allowed Apple to focus its resources on a handful of truly great products. The result? A legendary turnaround, and a company that redefined the tech industry. Jobs understood that true innovation isn't about saying yes to everything. It's about saying no to almost everything, to allow the truly exceptional ideas to flourish. The two-list method provides a simple yet powerful framework for harnessing the power of elimination. This method is designed to help you focus on what truly matters by cutting out the noise and distractions that often clutter our lives. By using this approach, you can streamline your efforts and direct your energy toward the activities that yield the most significant results. It's a strategy that can be applied to both your personal and professional life, ensuring that you stay on track and make meaningful progress towards your goals. It's a tool for clarifying your priorities and making decisions that align with your goals. Here's how it works. First, you need to take a step back and look at the bigger picture. What are the things that you are currently involved in? What are the tasks that occupy your time and energy? This initial step is crucial because it sets the foundation for everything that follows. By gaining a clear understanding of your current commitments, you can begin to see where your time is going and identify areas that may need adjustment. Write down everything you're currently doing. This includes work tasks, personal projects, commitments, hobbies, and even recurring thoughts. Don't hold back. Let it all out. This comprehensive list is your starting point. It might seem overwhelming at first, but it's important to capture everything. This exercise is about being honest with yourself and acknowledging all the demands on your time and energy. By doing so, you can start to see patterns and identify areas where you might be spreading yourself too thin. Don't censor yourself. Let it all flow out. This is your opportunity to be completely transparent with yourself. Write down even the smallest tasks and thoughts that occupy your mind. The goal here is to create a comprehensive inventory of everything that demands your attention. This process can be quite liberating, as it allows you to externalize your thoughts and see them laid out in front of you. It can also be eye-opening, as you may realize just how many things are competing for your time and energy. Review your first list and identify the top 20% of items that generate the most significant results. These are the tasks and activities that have the greatest impact on your goals and overall success. By focusing on these high-impact activities, you can maximize your productivity and ensure that you are making the most of your time. This step requires careful consideration and honesty. It's about recognizing what truly moves the needle and contributes to your progress. These are your high-impact activities, the ones that truly move the needle. They are the tasks that, when completed, bring you closer to your goals and have a meaningful impact on your success. By identifying these activities, you can prioritize them and ensure that they receive the attention and focus they deserve. This step is about being strategic with your time and energy, directing your efforts towards the activities that matter most, the ones that truly move the needle. These are the activities that, when completed, bring you closer to your goals and have a meaningful impact on your success. By identifying these activities, you can prioritize them and ensure that they receive the attention and focus they deserve. This step is about being strategic with your time and energy, directing your efforts towards the activities that matter most. Now here's the key: create a third list. This is your not-to-do list. This list is just as important as your to-do list, if not more so. It represents the tasks, commitments, and even thoughts that are draining your energy and preventing you from achieving your goals. By identifying these low-impact activities, you can consciously choose to eliminate or delegate them, freeing up your time and energy for the things that truly matter. This is your not-to-do list. Populate it with everything else, the remaining 80% of items from your initial brain dump. These are the tasks and activities that do not significantly contribute to your goals and overall success. By consciously choosing to eliminate or delegate these low-impact activities, you can free up your time and energy for the things that truly matter. This step is about being intentional with your time and energy, ensuring that you are focusing on the activities that have the greatest impact on your success. Populate it with everything else, the remaining 80% of items from your initial brain dump. These are the tasks and activities that do not significantly contribute to your goals and overall success. By consciously choosing to eliminate or delegate these low-impact activities, you can free up your time and energy for the things that truly matter. This step is about being intentional with your time and energy, ensuring that you are focusing on the activities that have the greatest impact on your success. The remaining 80% of items from your initial brain dump. This third list is your roadmap to freedom. It represents the tasks, commitments, and even thoughts that are draining your energy and preventing you from achieving your goals. By identifying these low-impact activities, you can consciously choose to eliminate or delegate them, freeing up your time and energy for the things that truly matter. This step is about being intentional with your time and energy, ensuring that you are focusing on the activities that have the greatest impact on your success. This third list is your roadmap to freedom. It represents the tasks, commitments, and even thoughts that are draining your energy and preventing you from achieving your goals. By identifying these low-impact activities, you can consciously choose to eliminate or delegate them, freeing up your time and energy for the things that truly matter. This step is about being intentional with your time and energy, ensuring that you are focusing on the activities that have the greatest impact on your success, and even thoughts that are draining your energy and preventing you from achieving your goals. By identifying these low-impact activities, you can consciously choose to eliminate or delegate them, freeing up your time and energy for the things that truly matter. This step is about being intentional with your time and energy, ensuring that you are focusing on the activities that have the greatest impact on your success. The beauty of the two-list method lies in its versatility. It's not just a productivity hack. It's a comprehensive approach to organizing your life. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or someone managing a household, This method can be tailored to fit your unique needs and circumstances. It's a tool you can apply to virtually any area of your life. Start by identifying the key areas where you want to see improvement. This could be your career, personal development, health, or even your relationships. The first step is to make a comprehensive list of all the tasks and activities that occupy your time in these areas. Identify the tasks that truly drive your career progression. These are the high-impact activities that move the needle and bring you closer to your professional goals. It could be networking, skill development, or strategic planning. Once you've identified these tasks, prioritize them and allocate dedicated time slots in your schedule to focus on them, and eliminate busy work that doesn't contribute to your long-term goals. Busy work can often feel productive, but it usually just fills up your time without adding real value. Be ruthless in cutting out these tasks. Delegate them if possible, or simply remove them from your list. Pinpoint the times of day when you're most focused. Everyone has peak productivity periods, whether it's early in the morning, late at night, or somewhere in between. Identify these times and schedule your most important work for those periods. This ensures that you're working on high-priority tasks when your energy and focus are at their highest. And schedule your most important work for those periods. This way, you can make the most of your natural rhythms and get more done in less time. It's also important to create a conducive environment for focused work. This might mean setting up a quiet workspace, minimizing interruptions, and having all the tools you need at hand. Ruthlessly eliminate distractions during these times. Distractions can significantly reduce your productivity and make it harder to complete important tasks. Turn off notifications, close unnecessary tabs, and let others know that you're in a focused work period. This will help you maintain your concentration and get more done. Determine the core offerings that generate the most revenue and customer satisfaction. In a business context, this means focusing on the products or services that have the highest impact. Analyze your operations to identify these key areas and allocate more resources to them. This will help you maximize your returns and improve customer satisfaction. Streamline your operations by eliminating products or services that drain resources. Not all offerings are created equal. Some may consume more time, money, and effort than they're worth. By cutting these out, you can focus on what truly matters and improve your overall efficiency. Identify the activities and relationships that bring you joy and fulfillment. Life isn't just about work and productivity. It's also about finding happiness and meaning. Make a list of the activities and relationships that enrich your life and make time for them. This will help you maintain a healthy work-life balance and improve your overall well-being. Let go of commitments that drain your energy or no longer serve you. It's important to regularly review your commitments and let go of those that are no longer aligned with your goals or values. This will free up time and energy for the things that truly matter to you. What are you currently saying yes to that deserves a firm no? Your decision-making power expands the moment you embrace strategic elimination. If this video helped you see decision-making differently, smash that like button and subscribe for more counterintuitive success strategies. The notification bell ensures you won't miss next week's video on how pre-mortems prevent decision disasters. Your challenge: create your first not-to-do list with at least 10 items before the end of today. Take a photo, share it in the comments below, and let me know which elimination was the most difficult to commit to. Remember, your not-to-do list isn't a limitation. It's your pathway to freedom, focus, and the extraordinary results that come from doing fewer things better. Let's eliminate our way to success together. Thank you for watching.